Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Welcome to Siegfried's Motorwerx YouTube channel, and on this video, we're gonna be taking you guys along with us as we find out the true top speed of this GY6 powered 150cc Chinese scooter. There's a couple reasons we're doing this. First and foremost, we have a couple of big experiments or out-of-the-box ideas that we're gonna be doing to this one to see if we can get some more speed out of it in an unconventional way. In addition to that too, we're also gonna be GPS verifying it, and if you stay tuned, but the thumbnail might have given it away, we have a very special first time top speed run coming up at the end of the video as well. Either way, stay tuned. Let's find out exactly how fast and or slow this scooter is. And let's find out if the Chinese manufacturer of BMS, which is Boream Motorsports, if their speedometers are any more or less accurate than average. Either way, let's get into the ride. GY6 150cc short case. Only thing that changes is the belt. Fresh belt, fresh rollers, fresh spark plug, fresh air filter, fresh tire pressure. Let's see exactly how fast this one is. Other day with all the 4,500 mile old parts, we hit 40 miles an hour on this one. So let's get around this turn here yet. And then this is nice and flat the rest of the way. Pretty much. All right, so 45 on the clock is like 48 on the speedometer, so 3 mile per hour difference there if you're watching one or the other. I would have expected this thing to do about 55, honestly. Dude, I am wide open throttle, like twisting the grip wide open throttle. 46. All right, we're gonna flip her around here. I'm actually gonna tuck down in too. 45. I'm gonna really tuck, everybody. Sorry if you can't see these, I'll just narrate. We're doing 48, 49, 50, 51, 50. So 50, like 53, 54, fully tucked. Are you kidding me? This is the prime reason that I hate Chinese scooters, dude. Oh my god. This is literally the second time I rode this thing. Just did everything to it. Fresh plug, fresh, we didn't put a battery in it, but fresh plug, fresh gas. Actually, before I get too mad at the scooter. I mean, it's not like bone dry. No, there's gas in there. Oh. Oh my god. This just doesn't get any better. Can you bring the truck and the trailer? I mean the ramp.
Why break?
Yeah.
Like it broke?
Yeah, it won't start.
Okay.
I mean, you can bring a boost box and try.
Let me try that. I'll be there.
Okay. Do you believe me now? Like, I tell people this all the time with this Chinese stuff. Like, yeah, I get it. It's such a good looking scooter. It's so cheap. Parts are so cheap. I just fully serviced this thing. Fresh plug, fresh belt, fresh air filter, fresh oil change. The only thing I didn't put in was a battery, but this is not a battery issue. And supposedly the guy just cleaned the car before we got it. Supposedly the thing has a brand new fuel pump on it. Like, But this is what I'm saying, like these Chinese scooters are wild, because like fortunately for me, I was only like 2 minutes from the shop and I have a Kyle at the shop, so Kyle can come, you know, save me. But like if I was a random customer, dude, this is a tow bill for me plus another shop bill. This thing was originally $500. Like, oh look, and here's my tow truck. gonna try and jump it first. If jumping it doesn't work, Kyle brought the truck and trailer, or truck and ramp, so I don't know. We'll see. See how much. I love Chinese scooters, man.
What happened, man?
Shut up. You wanna know how they are this thing?
Man, don't do that. Poor scooter. Doesn't deserve that.
Alright, well, our boost box was dead, so we had to go the old-fashioned way. Kyle. Oh my god. Hey, it's back. I don't know. Alright, well, thankfully my tow truck got me, is gonna get me back home. Alright. Oh man, something must happen to the mirror. Kyle, tell me what we're about to go do.
Ride the scooter together.
To top speed test ride, just like you guys have wanted. Because it's not about how fast you can go, it's about how much fun you can have getting there.
I didn't like to know if we're actually gonna make it back.
And it's an adventure because this thing has been doing nothing but dying on us, so you might see a video of me and Kyle walking. You wanna ride in the front or the back? Side. Baby, baby. Alright. Ooh. Alright, everybody, let's see what we got here. 2 up. On myself, all by my onesies, I hit 50 or 49 on this thing. So, that being said, let's see what it does with 2 up. Up to 30. 33. 35. 37. 38. Tuck! 41. Yeah. Oh god. Yeah, that's a far fall too.
Doors open wide open for people to steal.
Yeah, it's a fucking walk now.
Dude, it's a major walk.
It's a mile.
How do you know? Aaron, you're gonna get much. We're not walkers. Yeah, how you doing?
Welcome to the life of owning a Chinese scooter, I guess.
Yeah. Look at that place all spooky. I'm surprised you're not making me posters because we're on camera. You're like, I want to be the man.
No,
They're both
my undying desire for fame, fortune has led
Well,
me to
I
this.
know you're not stupid, can tell there, and your ass is gonna go in that seat. So I ain't dumb. There's a reason why you're pushing that scooter.
Oh, I knew. I'm like, it's all downhill once I get to that little bit of a drop.
Yeah, believe it. I saw
3
you.
top speed tests. We did a solo top speed test today. We did a 2 up top speed test today, and then we did a how fast can you push your GY6.
It's definitely has a fuel problem because you're gonna run into me.
Alright, man. Well, it's been real. It's been fun. It hasn't been real fun, but
Say the suspension's a little. Hi, puppy. Hey, puppy. Oh no, you're fine. Hey, puppy.
seeing you coming, I'm putting the left well. Come on.
You're fine. First, needs to mow their grass. I'm almost there. No, I'm good. All you have to do is run me the over, and I'd be so pissed off right now. There you have it. We finally made it back after what I would probably say a mile, maybe a little over.
Yeah. 3 test rods. Just killing 3 birds with 1 stone. 1, how fast is it with just me? 2, how fast is it with the 2 of us? Actually 4 test rods. 1, actually technically 5 test rods. How fast is it with me? How fast it broke with just me? How fast it was with just the 2 of us? How fast it broke with just the 2 of us? And then how fast we could walk back. New videos every Monday. Hopefully we're not walking in the next one. We upload shorts every day too. Kyle, tell them what to do.
Hit the bell, subscribe, comment, like.
And if you and your buddy ever have to walk scooters back together, remember when you get back to the shop, you can punch him in the stomach.
Yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.